everyone, this is the PYP Traveler and welcome to our new video. Today we will be discussing about resources, a very important and fundamental element of the PYP. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your colleagues as we are growing our learning community through LinkedIn, Twitter, and we are having a very fruitful discussion for new perspective and experienced teachers. The PYP is also unique because teachers and students use resources that can be found all around them, not only using one textbook, but they use multiple resources for their learning. So you will see that in national curriculums there are some standard textbooks, some startup books that students refer to, and there is a standardized curriculum that is targeting an average student. However, with the inquiry-based approach that the PYP implements, teachers and students can use a variety of books. They can use a variety of objects to learn. They can use a variety of provocations that not only objects but also places and people can be good references, good resources for their learning. Now you will see some examples of such resources that can be used across the transdisciplinary themes and across the years that you can take advantage of to introduce your central ideas, your transdisciplinary themes, and you can go deeper into your inquiry. As we are living some hard times with coronavirus, students are staying at home and they are having some distance learning with teachers across the other edge of the web. And we have to make use of the place that they reside. For example, the kitchen of their house is an amazing room for learning. So for example, we can use some measurement in order to introduce mLs, liters, milliliters to students. So we can use this to make experiments and integrate this to our activities for better understanding and learning in the math. We can also use some scales that we can measure objects, and we can focus on grams, kilograms, and so forth. A very unique opportunity that PYP teachers have right now is that they can take advantage of the students' houses in order to implement PSP activities that can be very productive and very creative for their own expression. They can make use of their surrounding area in their house in order to practice their gross motor skills. They can record videos and they can upload them into the Seesaw or Google Drive, whatever platform you're using in your school, in order to share their implementation of the activity. Planting your small garden can also be another activity that promotes agency. For example, you can start planting your own tomatoes or your own peppers, and by the end of the month you can keep your journal, you can track the progress, and you can take pictures and follow the journey of the planting. According to which age group you are referring to, you can be focusing on colors, you can be focusing on flowers, on plants, and you can take advantage of the new vocabulary that the students will be learning. Besides the house, however, you can use other places as well. For example, you can arrange field trips and you can visit monuments, you can visit museums, you can visit the supermarket, or you can visit some surrounding environments such as the beach or the forest. A field trip to the forest can also be a nice learning experience for students, as students can inquire a lot about nature. You can plan some actions with planting trees. You can also clean the forest, which is also public service. Another thing is, for example, in sharing the planet, you can inquire about minerals and rocks. So these provocations can help students understand a lot better the transdisciplinary themes that you are inquiring or investigating. PSP activities, art activities can also be integrated in such environments with such ease, and the interest of the students could be substantially more powerful. You can go for a field trip to the beach and you can take advantage of the surrounding area. For example, you can do some science with the water, or you can do some writing on the sand. You can use all the surrounding environment for many activities from early years to PYP 5. Use your creativity and open-mindedness, and you will see that the choices are limitless. In the PYP, you can also take advantage of people. So you can interview others, you can bring guest lecturers into the classroom, and it can be anyone who has some special knowledge regarding what you are inquiring, what your students want to know. So, for example, if you are discussing about constellations and planets, you can bring some people from the observatory, and they can introduce the telescope by bringing a sample into the classroom. It can happen. I have done it, by the way. Another thing is you can bring some specialists. For example, maybe some students' parents will be doctors or they will be firefighters. So you can bring them in and they can host a lecture for the whole class. As we said in another video, parents are a very fundamental element of the PYP. So make sure you take advantage of it because parents can give a lot into your learning journey. Introduce the unit to the parents and make the parents be one extra resource for your teaching, for your learning. Students feel more comfortable when they see that their parents are engaged as well into their own assignments, into their own learning, and the outcomes is they have a bigger impact into their thoughts. So parents can play a crucial role when it comes to understanding and remembering what they learned in the long run. Of course, when you teach in a school, you have to take advantage of all the rooms that are available. So, for example, if you have a chemistry lab or a science lab, make sure you use it when it comes to science. For example, when you are discussing about electricity and energy, you can conduct experiments into those labs. Of course, you have to take all the precaution measures and you have to plan it very. Another great resource are the teachers that are available in the school. However, now with the help of the internet and of course due to the circumstances, we can use teachers from other schools as long as we network with them. So as teachers, make sure that you network and you connect with other people, other teachers across the globe from other schools, and you will see that your learning community will expand and will help you a lot by exchanging material, by exchanging ideas, and by being in contact with them when the schools open. You will have some people to facilitate into your teaching. So now it's the time to link with others, and LinkedIn is one amazing platform for that. So take advantage of those teachers and make sure that you collaborate, because as we say, sharing is caring. So you will see that as you share, you will learn more and your teachers will get the most benefit. Skype calls, Skype interviews, Zoom sessions with other students also trigger the interest and they ignite the flame of inquiry to the students of your class. So when you will see your students interact with other students from the other side of the earth, you will see that they will be even more interested to find information and learn more about what you're studying right now. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Of course, resources it's a limitless sector of the PYP. You can find provocations and resources as you are walking down the street, and you can use it accordingly based on the central idea and the transdisciplinary theme that you are inquiring at the time. Make sure that you are open-minded, you are creative, and you see your surrounding areas in the most inquisitive way that you can. So take care, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.